Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to create a link in your Instagram bio. Whether it's a website, a blog, or your favorite playlist, I'll make sure you're ready to share it with the world. So let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then make sure you're logged in to the account you want to share the link. After you're logged in, go to your profile by tapping the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then tap the edit button. Here you'll see many options like name, username, pronouns, bio, and right under bio you'll see an option called add link. Tap on it, and here tap on the plus button where it says add external link. Here you can paste your URL and also give it a title. After you're done, tap on the tick icon on the top right corner, and that's it. Now anyone visiting your profile will see your clickable link, and there we go. Now you guys know how to add a link on your Instagram profile. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.